Sam here. Let's talk about WaveCloud. Just a few seconds to check my huge list of high-quality bonuses included in this offer. WaveCloud is a new cloud-based app offering file management. You can store, backup, share, and host all your files, photos, and videos in the cloud for just one low fee. Let's see how it works. Upload. You can create folders and upload files in one click. You can also upload multiple files at once. Customize video player. You can customize the look of the video player and get a share link, watch link, and the embed code. Share. You get a shareable link for each file, and you can also restore files from the bin. Prices and OTOs included in this offer.